This is road cycling. How about the continental team of Go for Gold? Andyan pa ba? Anong mga races for this year? Kasi road racing season na naman.
Well, unfortunately, as I mentioned, Negotiates is not with us today. But yes, our continental team is still fully complete and registered for this coming season. We've already competed in a few events this year, the Tour of Thailand, Tour of Taiwan. I believe we have a few more races left in Japan and China for the rest of this year. Unfortunately, yung mga races na nasanay tayo in Indonesia, Malaysia, ganun, is not really around anymore. So we have to go mas malayong lugar. Luckily naman for us, we've been the number one ranked continental team in the Philippines for the past, I think, 2 to 3 years. So nakakuha naman kami ng mga invitation from mga Japan and China for those kind of events.
Questions? Yes, Mr. President.
During the pandemic, ang dami Pilipinong pumasok sa pagbabike, hindi naman talaga. Pero nakatulong ba para lumakas yung competitive cycling sa Pilipinas?
Of course, during the pandemic, may term na lumabas ba pandemic cyclist na parang, but a lot of these pandemic cyclists malakas pala. So ngayon, some of the mga riders na nakakasama mo, yung mga names na naririnig, lalo na a lot of the young kids na naririnig mo, tatanong ko, kailan ka nagsimula? O nagsimula kami ng pandemic. So yeah, it's the pandemic, of course, was not something that anybody wanted, but in terms of certain sports, nakatulong siya. Right? Like cycling, I think golf naging popular din during the pandemic, so marami ring nag-grow doon.
Okay, pabol lang. Isang tanong. How about the impact sa sports tourism, sa economic growth nitong pakarera natin ng Go for Gold? Do you think lalakas ba yung, of course, yung mga iba't ibang figures with regards to this? And may plano ata kayo na magkaroon ng Mindanao leg September to October. So, ano yung target na venue para dito?
Well, first question, I think in sports tourism, I believe that it's a very important economic driver. Lalo na for like hotels, restaurants in that area. There's been a lot of places na nakikita ko nag-grow because of sports. An example would be Subic Bay, which became very popular because of triathlon. I've been involved with Ironman for over 10 years. So I've seen the growth of certain areas. Even Cebu, for example, when we first went there sa Ironman, parang there wasn't really a lot of restaurants and there wasn't really a lot of things that catered to triathletes. But now, ang dami na nagbukas, ang dami ng mga bike shops na ganoon. And then, because pumupunta doon, like Cebu, before, there wasn't that many triathletes. But because of events like this, because of Ironman, ang dami ng triathletes. So nag-grow yung local community. Di ba? Nag-grow ng mga bike shops, nag-grow ng mga cafes, nag-grow ng mga teams, all of which spend money na nagsisirculate sa local economy nila.
Ito yung sa Mindanao leg.
And then in sa Mindanao leg, so there's a few venues that we have in mind na tinitingnan namin. Cagayan de Oro is one, Davao, or baka Zamboanga.
Sir Jeremy, last question. Yung option nitong like Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao series na to, and then nakita nyo nga yung effectiveness ng participation ng LGU like Batang Pinoy. Does this mean that in the future, Go for Gold will work with LGUs and probably conduct or hold packet races like sabihin natin Cebu, Go for Gold, blah blah blah, or let's say Baguio, Go for Gold races na mayroong component ng cycling for all, like first day, family race yan, mga bata, all anong klaseng bike yan pwedeng sumali kasi ganun din yung ginagawa sa Langkawi eh. Hindi siya one day eh. Kasi sayang naman, andun na yung venue, andun na yung mga organizers. First day is family races na lahat ng klase ng bike, sige sumali kayo dyan. Then may mga finishers medal sila. So hindi siya kailangan na karera, kailangan lang tapusin siya. So parang yun doon nga doon pumapasok yung inspirational, no? Tapos the next day, manonood sila nung mga elite races. So meron bang ganung future tayo tinitingnan?
Well, actually, if you think about, if you remember when I talked about yung Pro Ride, which I helped organize way back when it started, yun yung concept talaga namin. And it's something that I would hope to revive in the future, especially if there are LGUs who are happy. For me, anything that helps grow the sport, di ba, we're happy to be a part of. For us, LGU participation is very important because pag alis namin doon, sila yung mag-aalaga sa mga siklista nila. So, hopefully there's that. But again, at the end of the day, it's about the money. Right? These events cost money. Even this criterium of ours is costing us money na hindi naman babalik. So, initially, we try to keep it as simple as possible, just to give a good quality race. Siyempre, what we don't parang save money on, what we don't scrimp on, is yung pakarera mismo.
Yes.
And then later on, then we can add on the fun stuff, the family day, the medals, the jerseys. Once hopefully the event does well, there's interest from sponsors or other sports patrons willing to contribute, then we can look at adding mga side events.
Okay, so thank you very much. No more questions. We have covered all aspects of this race. Sige, Ma'am Commissar Sunshine Vallejos, please invite din ang ating mga kaibigan. Nandito man kami siguro sa Manila, meron naman kayong live streaming. Makikita namin ang exciting action come that Sunday, di ba? Go for Gold Race Series 2.
Yes, so we'd like to invite everybody, especially the cyclists na malapit lamang sa Cebu, to please come. Whether you watch or you join the races, please come and support the Go for Gold Race Series 2 in Cebu City this coming Sunday. And buhayin natin yung nakatagong passion sa loob ninyo upang kayo ay sumuporta sa anumang kaparaanan. Whether you race, you support by sharing the live coverage, or by word of mouth, or just by anything saying congratulations to the winners and all. Maliit o malaking bagay ng suporta will make the event successful. And I hope that all the participants will, just like the first series, will have a fun and enjoyable event in the coming event in this Sunday. And I hope that all of you will continue to support not only kung ano yung mga nakikita, kumbaga kilalang karera, but the local races. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity for all the local cycling organizers or race organizers to you can reach Phil Cycling to help you make your event become better, or siguro help you, give you guidance in controlling the sporting management. And then also you've been there, you've been doing that for several years already, but we thank the race organizers na nagpapasanction sa Phil Cycling, because Phil Cycling is here not only to, kumbaga, ang alam kasi nila, kapag hindi sanction race, of course the national team cannot race, the elite riders, but more to that is yung pag-impose o pag-ensure ng federation na itong local race na ito, bagamat maliit siya, compliant siya sa regulation, and yung education na binibigay natin sa mga riders, na minumulat natin sila bata pa lang, they get to understand what their UCI regulation is, and also the team coaches na ito pala siya. So, kumbaga, nalalaman nila. So, it's a matter of educating not only the riders, the coaches, also the organizers on how to do it properly, and then become the primary concern why we commissars are go to races is to impose the fairness and the safety in an event. Dahil this is parang kumbaga outdoor event, this is a high-risk event. So apart from the fairness, it's actually the safety that we want to ensure that the organizers are able to implement for the event.
Yes, well said. Thank you so much, Commissar Sunshine. And Sir Jeremy, yung shoutout mo sa mga participants and all those involved dito nga po sa ating Series 2 ng race, ng Go for Gold race.
So first and foremost, thank you for having me here today. We'd like to invite everybody to watch or join. If you want to join, please follow our Facebook page, Go for Gold Race Series. All the information will be there. Nandun yung technical guide natin and nandun din yung link. So on Facebook, just look for Go for Gold Race Series. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank, of course, Mayor Bangpol Tolentino and Phil Cycling, Ma'am Sunshine for always supporting our events. And then yung mga sponsors natin, wait, may listahan ako dito para hindi ko makalimutan. Yan. Okay. Kasi baka may magtampo. Okay, so of course, una-una scratch sheet. Maraming salamat sa scratch sheet, sa Booster C, sa Magin, Spin Cycle, ITI, City de Mare, CCN, Hytera, Gatorade, Neo Sigma, Phil Cycling. Si Neo Sigma pala, that's Shimano sa Philippines. Phil Cycling na mention na natin. C-Selects, the Cebu City Government, and Nickel Asia. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sponsors natin for helping us create a world-class cycling event for our Filipino cyclists.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Jeremy, Ma'am Sunshine. More power sa Sunday's race ng Go for Gold. Magbabalik po next week ang PSA Sports Forum. Until next time. Great day, everyone.
Microphone.